In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to reset File Explorer view here in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the taskbar and open your File Explorer. Click on it. You can also press Windows key and E key together on your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the File Explorer. So first, you need to navigate to the upper center screen. You can see there view, filter, and these three dots. So please click on the three dots and go with this options, which has the gear icon. So from here, you'll be able to open a small window called folder options. All you need to do is you need to navigate to the second section, which is view, click on it. And here you'll be able to see folder views. So first, you need to click on reset folders. And here it will ask you to reset all folders of this type to the default view settings. All you need to do is you need to click on yes. The moment you click on it, you need to proceed to proceed on clicking apply to folders, and then here it asks you to apply all folders of this type to match folders view settings. You need to click on yes. Once done, you need to click on apply and then click on OK and then close this file explorer and then relaunch it. So bring it up again. And there you have that. You have just successfully reset File Explorer view here in your Windows 11. So that's it. Okay, so if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.